good morning. I'm Mark,
I'm Laurie.
and we are M Amusements. So we are here at day 2 of Holiwood Nites here at Holiwood in Santa Claus, Indiana. We were going to vlog day 1, but there was just too much copyrighted material music because of the theme this year, which was kind of Monty Python based. So it really wasn't. We didn't really strategically find a spot where there were no speakers to start vlogging yesterday, and it was also kind of raining, so it really wasn't a good day. We'll try and get some vlogging in today. We have a walk back for Thunderbird and Voyage. Not going to go as far back as we did last year, but at least we're still getting a walk back, so that's cool. So there'll be a tonight at 6:50. If I get some footage, they're doing an all girls ride on all girls takeover on the train on Voyage, so that'll be worth getting some footage for that. Other than that, we'd like to have a good day. There'll be food for us, and as usual, we always have a great time at this event, so we'll see you in the park, folks. Okay, so we just got off front seat of Thunderbird. We've been having to use this new reservation system they have. It's pretty effective. We actually got on pretty quick, so it wasn't the long hour wait that you normally wait for at Cedar Point for theirs. But as we're walking here, we're just having to catch Raven Wynn, also known as Good Gravy on Instagram. Say hi, Raven.
Hello.
She's cool. She's also a Columbus person.
Yeah.
We Buckeyes rule around here.
Yeah, I think it's
So, and then there's another Columbus, Ohio one here today. There's Logan McFall from Coast Ohio. We saw him yesterday, and we'll probably cross paths with him again today. We're having a blast here. This is our babies up there. There's Voyage. Anxious to get back on that tonight. So we don't know where we're gonna ride next, but we will, as always, let you guys know. We're just enjoying the time here till our walk back at 2:45. And we'll get some great footage there for you. Okay, we're back. So we're going to we reserved a time for Raven. It got bumped, how many minutes? Then it got bumped again. Now we're at 117. We were originally at 120 something. So we're going to, I think it's because a lot of people actually don't want to wait, so they cancel out their time. So we're gonna get on and just kind of hang out and wait for our time to get on. And Raven is a fun coaster.
Clear for foot.
Okay, I'm Mark from Nites Amusements. My wife is handling the video camera. We are here with Leah Cook. She is 4th generation family member to be involved with Holiday World. Her great grandparents started in
1946.
1946. How did you come to be involved with this, and what was your interest in keeping the family tradition?
Well, I grew up here, obviously. Some of my earliest memories, though, are here at the park. And so it's always been an important part of my life. There were times in life when I thought maybe I would go away. But timing just worked out perfectly for me to come back and start taking over the communications department, and it's been great.
So
in the midst of a coronavirus and systemic racism and all this, you guys managed to keep this event going this year. How did you guys come to this decision? Because you guys could have easily almost said, no way, we're not doing it, we're waiting until next year. What did you guys take into factors as to what allowed you to keep doing this?
You know, early on when we had those first indicators that we weren't going to be able to open, we were still really hopeful. But, you know, we've been waiting, we've been hoping for the season to come to fruition, and nothing has been like we expected at any point in any turn of this. But we just knew that one thing that really brings us joy every year is to host this event, and so we wanted to do everything we could to make this happen.
We just love the hospitality here. You guys go way out of your way for this. And this is why Natalie and I like small parks. So we have for you and that. We have M&M amusement shirts here. Look at these.
Nice.
We went with the dry fit.
Oh, very nice.
And we have one for you, the large, and we have one for Matt here, so whenever he comes back.
Okay, thank you so much.
No, thank you so much. And keep on. We're ready for next year.
We're hoping to return.
We're hoping to
we're
return
ready.
in May. And
Yep, we're ready.
Leah, thank you so much.
Thank you.